At this point, let's learn how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. So to insert a table, just decode basically your own words. You click on the Insert, and then you go under Table. There are a couple ways of inserting tables. You can either select how many columns and rows by holding down the mouse on your screen, or the second way to do it is click on Insert, under Table, and then we have this Quick Tables or a spreadsheet, or by clicking on Insert Table. This will give us a dialog box. It will ask us how many columns and how many rows do we want, and other properties about it as well. So a couple ways of doing it. Notice, depending on which way you like to create it, doesn't matter really. Once the table has been inserted, notice that there are two new tabs that have been added to your program. There is a Design tab with components about designing your table, and then the Layout tab, such as the layout of the table, where you can insert new rows, new columns, how to split them, how to indent the text within the cells, how to sort them, and all that type of stuff. Notice that under the Design tab, one of the nice features here is that you can pick one of the designs automatically, and instead of you wasting time on choosing colors and all that type of stuff, you can apply an existing design from the styles for tables, depending on what your table looks like and what your favorite design is. So at this point, all you need to do is just insert the text and you're good to go. Keep in mind that if you're also calculating stuff, you might want to have the total row enabled. You can have also last column as well, and things like that. If you wanted to insert a new row, for example in this table, you can do it by either going under the Layout tab and click on Insert Row below or above, or always, and this is the concept that I'd like to give, is that you can right click at any point in your component, whatever you're doing, then choose Insert and then see what you can do from there. Because sometimes you may not be able to find in the next release of Office, for example, it's not going to be, this tab is not going to be there. But if you right click, that option will most likely be there, and that's how you can figure out how to do this. So that's briefly how you create tables. You'd probably say, how can I learn more about this? And the best way, again, is to really enter some text here and tinker with different components here, like the text direction, the centering of the text, where you want to align the text, and things of that nature.